Senator Wyden is asking the Trump administration to lay out its plan for fire season because, as one hydrologist told us, we are facing a major deficit with this year's snow drought. The recent rainy weather isn't quieting the calls to action. Oregon Democratic Senator Ron Wyden pushing the Trump administration for a detailed plan on how it intends to make up for Forest Service layoffs and budget cuts and protect Oregon communities. The snowpack is currently well below normal. A hydrologist with the Natural Resources Conservation Service says it's tied with 2015 and getting close to the historically low levels of 1977, creating that dry base just waiting for a spark. Hydrologists say just because we have a low snowpack doesn't mean we'll have a bad wildfire season, but it definitely increases the chances.